Greetings, it is August 6th, 2019, Tuesday, several days after the horrendous mass shooting terrorist attacks in El Paso, Texas, and then in Dayton, Ohio. This is a drawing I originally did. It had the victim's face and the wings on a horizontal drawing drawn in 2015, signed and dated there, which I then, in June, a couple of months ago, took apart and made it into a vertical drawing. The woman here was 19. She was a student at Northern Illinois University in DeKalb. She was shot to death, as were several other students, in a terrorist attack in it's either geology or geography classroom on the campus of Northern Illinois University in DeKalb. It also resonated strongly for me as one of my art history professors from my undergraduate years in Illinois I think he did his undergraduate work at DeKalb. I did my freshman year at Parkland College in Champaign, and I got my bachelor's in art at Southern Illinois University in Carbondale. I've also guest exhibited and lectured at universities in Macomb and in Bloomington Normal. But these terrorist attacks go on and on and on, and nothing is done. In the redone drawing here, I've depicted what I will loosely describe as Christian evangelical gunfish sea monsters. You can see like they're kind of vicious teeth and mouths and a tongue there, and there's one there as well. Some crosses interwoven here and there, and another one up here, more up here, and this type of imagery is designed to abet tolerance education, which I do in schools with young children, older children, adolescents, teens and on through young adults and colleges and so on, as well as programs with audiences of adults of all ages, including seniors and elderly folks. Ryan Elizabeth Mace, of blessed memory, the terrorist attack was on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2008. And shamefully, by Congress, nothing has been done since. And even worse, led by racist and anti-Semitic President Trump and Vice President Pence and Senator McConnell, they're blaming video games on the scourge and genocide of American gun violence, which is just a few years ago was claiming 33 to 34,000 victims a year, now claiming, I think it's approaching 40,000 a year. No other Western and or developed country has this sort of carnage. Just incredible. Let's hope that American voters will elect pro-life state legislators, governors, congressional reps, and a president and vice president in November 3rd, 2020, who will seek to eradicate terrorism rather than legislatively enable it and excuse it. Enough is enough already.